How to cast a fishing rod properly, a step-by-step guide. Casting a fishing rod is an essential skill for any angler. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your technique, proper casting improves accuracy, minimizes line tangles, and enhances your overall fishing experience. This guide provides an expert breakdown of casting techniques, common mistakes, and tips for different fishing scenarios. 1. Understanding the basics of fishing rod casting. Casting a fishing rod involves releasing the fishing line from the reel in a controlled manner to place the bait or lure in a desired location. The three main components influencing a cast are rod. Choose between spinning, bait casting, or fly rods based on your fishing style. Reel. Spinning reels are beginner-friendly, while bait casting reels provide greater control for experienced anglers. Line. Monofilament, braided, or fluorocarbon lines each serve different purposes. 2. Selecting the right equipment. To achieve a proper cast, ensure your gear matches your needs. Rod length. Longer rods provide better distance. Shorter rods enhance accuracy. For beginners, a 6-7 foot spinning rod is ideal. Reel type. Spinning reels are versatile and easy to use, while bait casting reels are better for heavy lures. Line strength. Use a 6-12 pound test line for freshwater fishing and up to 30 pound for saltwater. 3. Setting up your fishing rod before casting. Assemble your gear correctly. Attach the reel securely to the rod. Thread the fishing line through the rod guides, starting at the tip. Tie a lure or bait using a knot like the improved clinch knot. Adjust the drag system to ensure smooth line release. 5. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Avoid these frequent errors for a successful cast. Incorrect timing. Releasing the line too early or late affects accuracy. Practice releasing at the right moment. Excessive force. Overpowering the cast can result in tangled lines or reduced accuracy. Use smooth, controlled motions. Improper grip. A loose or uneven grip can reduce control. Hold the rod firmly but comfortably. 6. Tips for specific fishing scenarios. Different environments require slight adjustments in casting technique. Shore fishing. Use long rods for extended reach and aim for open water areas. Boat fishing. Opt for shorter rods to maneuver easily in confined spaces. Fly fishing. Use specialized fly rods and reels. The technique involves a rhythmic back and forth motion to place the fly. 7. Advanced casting techniques. Once you master the basics, try these techniques. Overhead cast. Ideal for long-distance casting in open areas. Side-on cast. Perfect for low, accurate casts under obstacles. Pitching and flipping. Useful for precise, short-distance casts in heavy cover. 8. Maintaining your fishing equipment. Proper care ensures your gear lasts longer. Clean after use. Rinse rods and reels with fresh water after saltwater fishing. Inspect the line. Replace frayed or damaged lines regularly. Lubricate the reel. Use reel oil to keep it functioning smoothly. 9. FAQs about casting a fishing rod. Q. What is the best fishing rod for beginners? A spinning rod and reel combo is user-friendly and versatile for beginners. Q. How far can you cast a fishing rod? With proper technique and equipment, most anglers can cast between 30–100 feet. Q. What is the best way to practice casting? Practice in open spaces like a backyard or park using a weighted practice plug. 10. Final tips for perfecting your cast. Practice regularly. Consistent practice builds muscle memory and improves accuracy. Learn from experts. Watch videos or attend fishing workshops. Experiment with gear. Try different rods, reels, and lines to find what suits you best. By mastering these steps and tips, you can cast a fishing rod like a pro. enhancing your fishing experience and increasing your chances of a great catch.